Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. Come on in, let's make something. Today we're going to actually do a trip up to Montana, and we are going to look at a used sawmill. Now, I've been doing some research on these Wood-Mizers, and they seem like really good machines. Now, the machine we're looking at is pretty old. It's probably a 20-year-old machine, and yeah, it's still running good. It has a Briggs & Stratton gas-powered motor. It is a trailer model. Now here they don't make the one we're going to go look at is a Wood-Mizer LT20, and it's a portable. It's a trailer model, just like the one in this picture right here. Now these things run if you put all the accessories on them. Now this is a similar one. It's a little shorter, I believe. This is a LT15. Like I said, they don't make the LT20 anymore. But we wanted to kind of compare the costs of them and you know, later on decide if we want to buy this one or not. So this one is actually up at my brother-in-law's house up in Montana, and he has told me that he ordered a new one. He's not going to sell this one quite yet because the new one, because of COVID, it's taken a long time to get. So, but we have to go up there anyway to pick up some garage door frames. So, we're going to look at this at the same time, and he's going to demonstrate it. And actually, we're going to cut a log, and I'm going to bring the wood back to make something with it later on. Anyway, yeah, these things, parts and everything, they run, they start at this LT15, which I could get away with this size, actually. They start at about $10,000, and then you add your power feed, you add the trailer options. There's a few accessories that and of course I'd probably want to have a Honda motor on it because I like the Honda motors. Anyway, yeah, they're going to run them around $20,000. I'm not sure what kind of deal I can get from my brother-in-law, but I really wanted to just go and demonstrate it. Now, I notice on the new ones, there's a lot more holders for the logs on the they look like they have a few additional features that work a little better than the older one. But let's go ahead and go up to Montana, and it's going to be nice weather up there from what I'm told. And also I'm going to try to do some fly fishing. I don't know if I'll be able to film that or not, but let's go ahead and go up there and check out this LT20. It's a used one, an older one, and let's go see how it works. Okay guys, today we're going to review a sawmill, a Wood-Mizer LT20, and this sawmill they don't make anymore, but it is a trailer model, and I'm not sure how long it is. I'll measure it though, but my brother-in-law says he's going to get a new one, so I might take a look at how this operates and possibly make him a deal on this. Now this one's got a Briggs & Stratton motor, and let's see right here, it's 3,500 pounds, single axle, 13-inch tire size, 50 psi. That's just the tire stuff. It's built in Indianapolis, in Indiana, and yeah, I guess it has a so right here it hooks up to some water, and apparently this water drips down on the blade as it's cutting. So anyway, my brother-in-law, we're gonna use his excavator right there. We're gonna get a log, and we're gonna come down here and we're gonna test it out. Right here is the water. Basically, you just fill up this 5-gallon water jug. It's got a little valve, and it goes down and basically cools the blade, keeps it from overheating. And right here, my brother-in-law is going to demonstrate how it works. And here we are cutting it. Now this log was pretty unique. It had some kind of distinct characters on the top, so I thought it looked like I could cut the top piece a little smaller and possibly do a river coffee table out of it or something like that. I'll probably have to let this make sure it cures a little longer for moisture, because when we were cutting it, I did notice it had quite a bit of moisture in it. That could have been from the water in the blade also. We'll have to check it. Anyway, that was the demonstration of the Wood-Mizer LT20. They don't make it anymore, but I highly recommend Wood-Mizer. The quality of the product looked really good, and I would definitely buy one. But I'll have to decide whether I'll buy a used one or a new one. Right here is some fish spawning. These are some trout up in the lake in Montana, and when we were there, they were spawning, and there was just tons of them. And yeah, pretty cool. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video. Here is also some traffic up in Montana. And these are some sheep that came down off the mountain with their babies. And it was amazing. I was watching these babies, and these babies ran straight up the cliff. So they actually, I was told by my brother-in-law that they are born up on the cliff, and so they're used. Now here's a picture of the actual river behind my brother-in-law's house, and this is a famous river for catching trout and all different species of trout. And I promised my brother-in-law I would not say where this was at. He says there's enough people coming up here. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and I will see you next time. Later.